Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 1999 Matchbox. We have the Combine Harvester from the Farm Series, number 89 out of 100 vehicles. And this got that classic Lesney look to it, and it sounds metal too. I've been holding on to this since 1999. So we're talking 21 years later, 22 even. Here's some of the figures, some of the other cars you can get, or vehicles. This is from Series 18 in this 20 series. Copyright says 1998 and 99 checklist. Alright, so that must be the Farm Series right there. Alright, let's get this out of the package. I'm hoping that is all metal. Definitely got the old look on those wheels for Lesney. And this piece right here spins around. And this spins around. And all that blue is metal. I'm loving it. This is made in China. All wheels roll well. I wonder if it rolls on the track. Blowing all the seeds out if they shred up the wheat. I'm liking this. Well, it doesn't fit on the track, but that's okay. We got room here. Oh, the yellow thing rolls. Haha, it rolls with the wheels. Nice. Put it that way. You ride it this way, or do you ride it this way? No, it would be the wheel in the front, and then they spit it out in the back. Wonder if that's what it sounds like. Well, I'm having fun. I don't think this has any drifting ability, but you never know. I'm going to give it a little whirl. Oh. Yo. Oh, that was pretty cool. Haha! It's not as fun because it doesn't roll, but it does do a couple of good drifts. It's not a total fail. Thank you to everybody that tuned in. Without your views, I would not be doing this anymore. It is fun though. I love having a record of all my videos. Just go to my YouTube channel and see all these things that I have opened. Thanks for watching the full video, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.